Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing ticker symbol GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. We're going to talk about some news that it got this morning and why it really didn't move much based on that particular news like everyone thought it would. Also want to share a new website that I came across that's going to be good for all GNOG investors to keep track of. It gives you updates on the online gaming industry and gives you an alternative place to look instead of just waiting on your traditional articles to come out on Yahoo Finance and Seeking Alpha. Also, at the end, of course, we're going to go over the charts, show you the key support and resistance levels, my plan going forward. Just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, not recommending you buy the stock. You should always do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content just like this one. So other than that, guys, let's go ahead and get right on into it. All right, guys, so this is an article from seekingalpha.com. It says Golden Nugget goes live in Michigan tomorrow with online casino and sports betting. So uh, they received authorization from the Michigan Gaming Control Board to start offering online casinos and sports betting on Friday. So that's really exciting. They will be their online casino and sportsbook will be available at goldennuggetcasino.com via Android and iOS applications. It will launch a brand new version of its online sportsbook using the world-class open sports platform from Scientific Games. Okay, guys, so that's exciting, right? We were wanting Michigan, we got Michigan, and now that opens up the door for potentially more revenue to come in for Golden Nugget Online Gaming. So one of the reasons I think that it didn't move as much as we thought is I think everyone expected this. This isn't something that came out and like shocked us and like, holy cow, we didn't expect this to happen. Let's pile in. I think people kind of knew this was coming. So it wasn't like a big surprise and big shock and everything. And also, GNOG just had the merger and before it was GNOG, it was LCA and it was this big hype stock and it was sexy and we were waiting for it to switch over to GNOG. And now that a lot of the hype has died down. Now we're just a normal stock, right? And we're gonna, invest in the stock as we see fit. And there's really not any big hype surrounding the stock anymore, like it was whenever it was LCA. So now we just got to sit tight, wait for them to get more states approved for online gaming and release new earnings, which I'm sure are going to be fantastic, based on their last earnings and compared to the last year. So that's kind of my opinion on why it didn't pop more than it did. I think it got up to a little over $21. It was up almost 2% in pre-market and then finished down for the day. All right, guys, so I want to show you this website. This is what I was talking about earlier. PlayUSA.com is a website that you can find information on online casinos, online games, and sports betting. So they released this article today saying Michigan gambling debuts January 22nd with sports and casinos, which we already know, but this is again just another spot for you to keep track of the online gaming industry. So these are the ones that are going to be available on launch day. So here are the 10 that are going to be available tomorrow. Barstools, which has a partnership with Penn National Gaming, BetMGM, BetRivers, DraftKings, FanDuel. There's Golden Nugget, and some of these companies you may already be familiar with. You've heard of them before, so that's another reason why maybe people didn't fly into GNOG was there. They kind of probably realized that the Michigan market may be a little bit competitive. They got some good companies in there, but I think everyone can get their fair share. But that might be another reason, like I was saying, is they may just kind of realize it may be a little bit more competitive as opposed to being the only person offering online gaming. There's other people just like you out there. So down here, it kind of just talks about the expectations for Michigan online gaming and the tax revenue that's going to be brought in from sports betting and online casinos. So this website, guys, is really cool. So you can actually go through and look at the sports books of people who offer sports betting, and then your online casinos. You see Golden Nuggets, the first one on their list. You have a news section over here you can click on to get different articles and updates. And then this is what I really want to show you is if you click gambling by state, scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, you can see all of the states currently that offer online casinos, that offer online poker, that offer sports betting. Some do all three, some will do one out of the three, some two out of the three. And you can go through and see every single one. But the cool thing about this, guys, is if you look at the map of the United States, there's not many that are offering online casinos. What I'm saying is there's so much room for growth, okay? And it's not going to happen overnight. So with this stock, like I said, being that it's not a straight up hype play anymore, I think it's just going to take some time for it to grow consistently where we know it can go to that 40, 50, $60 range, for the long term. I think it's just going to take a little bit longer time than people, may like. So we're going to see some selling off here and there, but I can tell you at this price point right now, $20 is a good buy zone for this stock, in my opinion. So keep track of this website, guys. Again, PlayUSA.com, and you can check in at this website and just see if there's any type of breaking news that may come out in regards to the online gaming industry. So it might be something to kind of bookmark. That way you can come and check these out. Check this website out maybe once every couple of days, every week, whatever you'd like to do. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts, check some things out there, and I'll tell you what my plan is with this stock going forward. All right, guys, so we're checking out the 180-day 4-hour chart. So as you can see here, recently hit a high of 28.10 and then had a very, very big sell-off afterwards after it hit that high, okay? And anytime a stock does that and has a big sell-off after hitting all-time highs, for the most part, it's going to take them a little bit of time to, kind of gather itself and kind of get back on the right track. So looking at GNOG right now, it is trading below that SMA line, which is a little bit concerning. For me, I'd like to see it get above and hold above that SMA line. I know it's not that far off. So as long as we can, eventually start making our way over the next couple of days towards that SMA line back to the right direction, then that would be a good sign of strength. As you see here, we kind of got rejected from it today and started trading back downward. So at this point, guys, your key resistance level is going to be 2104 and your support is going to be 1886. So as you see, if we do have some selling off, we do have some room to go down, and and potentially you can get it at a cheaper price, which is a good thing. But keep an eye on this here. If we bust through that 2104 level and we stay above it, and if we can get above that SMA line, that's a really, really good sign moving forward, and for us to get back into the right direction, heading on back towards that $30 price point that we have. So for me personally, I'm holding on to this stock. I currently have over 100 shares of it, and plan again, to hold this until it gets to about the $30 mark, and then probably take profits at that point. So if it does dip down lower, like in the 18s, then potentially grab some more shares and then ride it back up. I've swung this stock many times over the past several months, and take profits whenever I do hit a certain level. So anyway, guys, I hope this video helped. Again, if you found value in today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so if you enjoy our content. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you in the next video.